students, welcome to Behind the Scenes. Look what's happening. There's a premiere that's going to begin in 15 minutes. I just recorded this a little while ago. Right now there's 73 people waiting. Today is December 4th, 2021. And in this video that people are about to watch, I'm actually dancing and responding to Anna Oop. But we're not going to be watching it, actually. What you guys are going to be doing is keeping on with your responses, and I'm going to respond to you. Okay? So, because it's hard sometimes for me to type all the answers there about things you're saying. So this way, I'll just be able to talk, and you can watch what I think about you, I guess. Okay, here we go. So what do we got? Let me just go back down here and see a couple of things. So first of all, I want to thank everybody in blue who is an animal rights activist. Thank you for being here. We have Rick, who is 14 years old from Canada, who is saying, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. So thank you, Rick, for being here and for saying that. Yeah, check the labels. If it's vegan, it's okay. That's a song that I wrote, and good job. All right, and here we have Nakido, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. You're 17 years old, and is saying, Haiji is a respectful vegan man. I actually don't know who Haiji is, but anyway, okay. Haiji is also an animal rights activist. Okay, maybe I do know this person, and I just don't remember, but anyway. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, okay, sometimes it flips. Okay, Liam is writing, eat veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds. Yes. And you can eat lentils, you can eat beans, you can eat vegan lasagna, vegan pizza. You can buy all kinds of vegan foods. And I did a video recently where I went into Walmart. Actually, I just did that yesterday. And I filmed about 91 different things that people can eat that are vegan. And in fact, of course, we all know there's way more than that, but that's all I had time for. Our grocery cart was full at that point, and so we ended up leaving the store. But yeah, there's lots of things you can buy. So what else do you have? Somebody's saying hi. So hi, I'm getting Arnie. I don't know who Arnie is, but okay. If you love your dog, then why feed them things they don't need? Not sure what you're talking about, but yeah, I agree that they don't need to eat meat, so you can feed your dog vegan food. That's a great thing you can do. That's what we do. Our dog Bella has been vegan since August 2017. Which is a year after we'd been vegan. See, we'd been vegan already for a while, at least a year. And then someone pointed out that, you're not really vegan unless you feed your dog vegan food as well. I mean, if you're paying somebody to murder for your animal, it's like you're still bringing death into the house. So we ended up trying vegan food, and it was fine. So she's been vegan ever since. And nobody can tell the difference. If we're at a dog park or whatever, she's the same as every other dog. Okay, so let's keep going. Somebody says, hi. So hi, I won't be vegan. Yes, you will. In time, you will, especially if you hang out here, because, veganism is so easy and it's the right thing to do. So you will definitely be vegan. And if you're not, you're one of the tiny minorities of psychopaths who actually thinks it's fun to hurt animals, and then you really need serious psychiatric help. Okay, being a carnist isn't sinful, but being rude and toxic to them is. Okay, sure. So you're saying that I'm rude because I'm telling people to stop hurting animals. But the people who are hurting animals, they're fine. And this makes sense to you. I think you really might need a timeout. Let's give you a timeout here. There we go. You think about that a bit, because it doesn't make sense. I think you maybe need a nice glass of soy milk or something and just clear your head. Okay, go for a walk. Go hug a tree or something. What else do we have here? By the way, I was just eating some sauerkraut. A bowl of sauerkraut. I know, seems crazy, right? But I just felt I needed it. So that's what I just ate. So got some stuck in my teeth still. So sorry if I'm kind of doing one of these. But okay, let's keep going. So what else do we have? Did I miss anything? Oh, God. You respect animals' rights, but you don't respect people's rights. Yeah, I do. How do I not respect people's rights? How? What do I do? Oh, you mean I don't respect people who hurt animals? Oh, well, you're right then. Yeah, I don't respect people who hurt animals. I don't respect people who hurt black people. Do you respect them? How about people who hurt the LGBTQ community? Do you respect them? I don't. Respect is earned. It's not just an automatic thing. So if I see you being respectful towards animals and towards other humans, I will respect you. So if you think that I don't respect people who are cruel, then yeah, you're right. My vegan declaration day is never. Oh, I don't think that's true. You're going to change. Just stick around. You'll understand after a while we're here. Go and watch the important documentaries I'm always talking about. Do I have them here? Oh, I think where did I put all my... Oh, hold on a sec. I'll get them. have a bunch of these. I have a whole bag full of, I have way more than this actually. So what I suggest for you is that you watch the important documentary called Dominion. Let me see if I have it here. Oh yeah, here. Watch this one, okay? WatchDominion.com. Then you'll understand why we're here. We don't want to hurt animals. And if you watch this, you'll really understand. Okay, I'll put it really close. Okay, memorize it. It's WatchDominion.com. Go and write down all the animals that you see, and you'll understand why it is so important for us to protect them. Okay, it also protects the environment and also your health. It's win-win for everybody. Okay? Okay, let's keep going. Where were we? Animal rights activists are just the worst. Well, we make you feel guilty. I understand that. I didn't used to like vegans that much either because I felt guilty around them all the time. I thought they were judging me, and I was right. They were judging me. And yeah, I was right. I should feel guilty. They were right. I was wrong. Then when I realized, okay, I should be vegan, lesson learned, and then I changed. Okay, Denisa, don't know what you're talking about. Hello, vegans and non-vegans. Hello, everyone. This is vandalism. Vandalism is when you break something. You just like smash up a car or light a fire on something. This is not vandalism. This is me speaking the truth and communicating what the animals are feeling, because they don't have a typewriter, they don't have a computer, they don't have texting. They have me as their representative. And one day they will have a Bill of Rights, we hope. And when they have a Bill of Rights, all of their rights will be protected under the law, and they will have a right to legal representation in the same way that children do. That's our goal here. Okay. Meat eaters are the worst. Yes. Wait, what does it say? Nope. An example of this right on the thumbnail of the video. Okay. Non-vegan for life. Okay, whatever. Let's just keep going. Don't go vegan. Doc. Mike already said it. He doesn't recommend being... I don't know what you're talking about. Somebody's saying, why? Just why? And I don't know why you're writing that. Here, what's going on here? Maybe I can pull this down a bit. Yeah, no, I'm just going to type something to you. Let's just write something. Be vegan from now on. There we go. Let's write that. Okay, somebody says, do I have to be vegan? Well, yes, you do if you want to be known as a good person and if you want to feel like a good person. Otherwise, you are a hypocrite and you are mean and cruel. So it's up to you. You know, you can choose to be racist. You can choose to be vegan phobic or homophobic. I don't suggest it. I suggest that you be kind. We need to end the animal holocaust. The animals are suffering by the billions. We need to help them. If you were the victim, you would understand why. Okay, if you are part of the LGBTQ community, be vegan. Yes! Never, says somebody. Yes, you will. I do. Somebody says I do. Well, are you getting married? What's happening? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Be vegan phobic is fun. Okay, that's like saying being racist is fun. How insane is that? It's like saying being homophobic is fun. Is it? I don't think so. Why be cruel if you don't have to? Okay, hey guys. Hi. Kinda sussy baka. Nah. Okay. Ooh, never eat dead animals and go vegan. Yes, Rick, I agree. Never eat dead animals and go vegan. Okay. If you consume animals, you are an animal abuser, and that is the truth. Yes, Sam, vegan from Poland, Oregon, who's 21 years old. Thank you. You are absolutely right. Yeah. And you know what, Sam? I'm going to make you a moderator and see how you do. See if you're a good moderator or not. So a lot of people who are fake mods, but let's see if Sam is ready to be a mod or not. Oh, okay. That's great. I'm so happy you're here, Mark. What is Mark saying? Mark is 72 years old. Wait, come back. Mark, come back. Oh, no. I lost Mark. Where's Mark? Oh, I don't know what happens. It stops and I have to go way back. Okay, I lost Mark. Anyway, Mark's usually great and making great comments. Okay, I'm going to try and go back down here. Okay, what is going on? I'm lost. Okay, somebody writing. Wishing death on people? Wow, y'all are worse than non-vegans. God put animals around. Well, I do wish that people who hurt animals will die in their sleep or die choking on a chicken bone. Yes. Or die while eating the ribs of a baby animal. Any animal even. Yeah, I want that because I don't want them to keep hurting the animals and they don't seem to want to stop on their own. So that would be like fate, like karma happening. Now, ideally, I would rather that they just stop hurting the animals and they can live and become vegan and help defend them. That's the ideal. I think the video is going to be starting soon. Let's scroll over here and see. Can I see? Okay, and we have here 96 people are waiting, and the premiere is going to begin in 5 minutes. And I'm going to be dancing. I know. I know the things you do to try to defend animals. You got to get attention to the channel, right? So, okay, maybe I'll dance, and they'll be laughing at me, but then they'll go, hey, wait a second. Actually, her message kind of makes sense. By the way, thank you for subscribing, everyone who's here. Subscribe and press the notification bell if you haven't yet done so. Do you see below? Do you see a subscribe button? Go ahead and press that, and then, come and chat with me. Yeah, because you'll get a notification every time, and you can type in these kinds of premieres, and I can respond to you. We eat cows. Don't do that anymore. Okay, I'm going to press the button here and see what happens. Kick that vegan teacher. Well, that's not very nice. Why would you want to kick somebody who's defending animals? Would you want to kick me if I was defending the LGBTQ community? Would you just want to kick me just for saying, hey, don't hurt people? I'm here saying, don't hurt people. Don't hurt animals. That's what I'm saying. What you're saying doesn't mean. I have an obsession with Anna. My obsession is with helping the animals. And if somebody with 2 million followers is trying to tell their 2 million followers to keep eating them, to pay for their torture, which is what happens in the dairy industry, the meat industry, and the egg industry, then yes, I'm going to be calling them out all the time. But it's not just her. I have hundreds of people that I'm responding to all the time. Everyone from Gordon Ramsay to political leaders to TV shows like Coco Melon. So if you want to have a look in the channel, you can go ahead and click on different videos that are going to come up later on. So look around the channel. There's over 1,000 of them. Sometimes I go to Walmart. I've gone to different shopping centers. I've gone and bought groceries. I've done all kinds of things. Gone to McDonald's. I've gone to A&W. I don't know if you guys have that. We have that here in Canada. But anyway. All right. Whenever you see anyone harming an animal in public, don't be afraid to speak out and tell them it's wrong. Yeah, and not just speak out, but actually physically intervene if somebody's harming an animal. If you see somebody kicking a cat or a dog, you must stop. Just like if you see them hurting a child, right? Do your best. Call the police, whatever. I mean, obviously, you don't want to get yourself hurt, but we really have to step up and plan for these situations in our mind, and plan that we're going to roll up our sleeves and really go in there and defend. We can't just be like standing back, because imagine if it was your child or an animal that you love. So all animals deserve the same rights as the others, not just some. Just because they live in your house are not the only ones you should be defending. When you go to a dog park and look at all the animals that are there, or when you're walking down the street and you see all different cats, try to imagine that they all belong to you. And in this sense, I just mean that you're attached to all of them, not just the ones that are usually in your bed cuddling with you, your ones that you're close to. This is how to get over speciesism. And the same when you go out in the world and you see children, try to think to yourself, well, what if that was my child? And I should try to open my heart to everyone in the same way. That's the kind of world we need. Okay, Miss Katie encourages. Okay, wait, join Challenge 22 and get free help becoming vegan. There are vegan dietitians there. Yes, good, Mark. There's a group with a one-to-one coach. You will learn so much there. Sign up today. Yeah, good idea. Thank you for being here. And Rick says, eat vegan foods. How many vegan foods have you eaten today? I ate a lot. Today I had Indian food. So you know how many different veggies are in Indian food and how many different spices. So I had different kinds of curries with rice. Then we had all kinds of fruit on the table. We had blueberries, raspberries, bananas, strawberries. My God, I had definitely over 30 different types of vegan foods today. Make sure you include garlic in your different foods. It gives a delicious flavor. Have some olives, carrots. You have some corn. When's the last time you had broccoli? Have cruciferous veggies. These are leafy greens like bok choy and spinach. Yay, cucumber and hot pepper. Eat all these things. Have some avocado. Okay, just have vegan food. Just don't hurt animals anymore. Okay, so the video seems to be over. So I'll say goodbye to you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, and help me get these animals out of hell. Okay? Thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you guys who are trying so hard. Thanks. Let me know down in the comments below if you like this kind of review, because I usually do it just with my camera filming. This time I'm actually on camera. I don't know if you prefer this or not. Yeah. Anyway, let me know. Bye. Do 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 do.